299 pesos na engagement ring. Hindi nga ba symbol ng pag-ibig? May presyo ba talaga ang pagmamahal? Or it's never really about the price but about the value? Hi, this is Migs and let's turn that situation to life coaching lessons. In our life coaching program called Discovery, we've been helping thousands of people to build, mend, and strengthen relationships. So I guess pwede nating pag-usapan ito. Isang post ang nag-viral matapos ang isang newly engaged couple went to social media to rant. The girl ranted about how she doesn't feel valued dahil ang presyo ng kanyang engagement ring 299 pesos. Maraming netizen, especially women, backed her up. Of course, hindi naman nagpatalo ng opinyon ang mga netizen na lalaki na para bang ala boys versus girls ang laban. Ngayon, anong pwede mong matutunan dahil yung mga ganitong issue, honestly, is a relationship breaker. Hindi lang kay ate mo girl na nakatanggap ng 299 pesos na engagement ring, but pati na rin kay kuya mo guy na napahiya online. Anong pakiramdam kung ang sarili mong fiancé ang nagpahiya sa'yo sa madlang people? Kailangan pa ba talaga i-social media ang private disagreements? Let's dissect and simplify. Number 1, tama iyong wala dapat presyo ang pagmamahal. Para sa financially struggling, it's the thought that counts. Kung di naman kalakihan ang income mo, ang dami mo pang gastusin at yan lang ang afford mo, okay lang. Kahit magkano ang presyo. Let's learn to practice appreciation versus have expectation. Hindi naman yung singsing ang makakasama mo, pero yung nagbigay ng singsing. Na maybe, kahit maliit lang ang income niya, naisip ka pa rin niya. Pero number 2, tama din na it's never about the price, it's about the value. Kasi sabi nga biblically, where your treasure is where your heart is. Kung able naman ang tao and you shortchanged your partner, parang may problema nga tayo dyan. Personally, when I gave my wife an engagement ring, I didn't just give any ring. I gave what I thought to be my heart, expressed through that ring. So hindi pwedeng basta-basta. Pero ang tanong, magkano ba ang sapat at ang shortchanged? Honestly, we will never know. Tanging ang couple lang ang makakasagot niyan, hindi tayo. Which brings me to point number 3. Ang private matter must remain private. You don't bring it to social media. Let's be honest, yung mga chuchu na mga hindi naman involved ang nakakasira ng maraming relationships. Lalo na yung mga opinyon at panggagatong na hindi nakakatulong. Learn to discuss it, argue about it, and even fight about it. Normal naman yan sa relationship. Pero, do it privately. Kasi yung issue, pwede pang ayusin. Pero kapag dignidad na ang usapin, mahirap nang buuin. If you want more contents like this, follow for more.